In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Life360 circle. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Life360 app. Once the app loads and I'm on the main screen, I'm going to head straight to the top left corner and tap on the settings icon. That's the little gear icon, and this is where you manage most things related to your account and circles. After tapping into settings, I'm just going to scroll down a bit until I see an option called Circle Management. Go ahead and tap on that. This section is basically where Life360 lets you control everything about the circle you're currently in, including members, permissions, and leaving the circle entirely. Once I'm inside circle management, I'm going to scroll down slowly. Depending on how many options you see, it might be near the bottom of the screen. Keep scrolling until you find the option that says leave circle. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it. At this point, Life360 will usually prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you actually want to leave the circle. This is normal, since leaving a circle means you'll no longer be sharing your location with the members in that circle, and you also won't be able to see their locations anymore. Go ahead and confirm that you want to leave. Once that's done, the app updates right away. You'll immediately be removed from the circle and you won't appear on the map anymore. There's no waiting time, no extra steps, and no need to restart the app. Everything happens instantly as soon as you leave. After leaving the circle, you might be taken back to the main screen or asked to join or create a new circle depending on your setup. That's completely normal. If you ever decide to rejoin the same circle in the future, you'll need a new invite code from someone who's still in that circle. So just to recap while we're here, all you really did was open the Life360 app, go into settings, tap on circle management, scroll down and choose leave circle. It's a quick process and you're always in control of whether you stay in a circle or not. And that's it. That's how you leave a Life360 circle using your iPhone.